I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So first thing is when you're on the welcome screen, go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English here, then click on Start. A few legal items to review. You can go ahead and read through all these. You can click on the details, and then once you're done, tap down here. I have read and agreed to all the above. Click on Next to proceed. From here, you can go ahead and choose your home Wi-Fi network. You can do this now, or you can do it later. I'm going to do it now. This way I can get the update right away as well. So let me connect to my home Wi-Fi network, which is right there. Let me put in my password. Once you input the password, tap on connect. Give it 1 second to connect. All right, it says connected right there. Let's tap on next. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. So here it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more if you go ahead and tap on next. For me, I'm going to do a fresh, clean install. I don't want to transfer anything. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on don't copy here. Here, go ahead and input your Google or basically your Gmail address in here. You can do it now or you can do it later. I'm just going to go ahead and do this one later. So I'll skip that for now. Google services here, by default, they have all these like toggled on. It's up to you. You can go ahead and untoggle whatever you want. I'm fine with all of these toggled on. I'm going to tap on accept. Now it's asking for a password here. Now you can skip this, but I would advise make some kind of password right now. Okay, for me, I'm just going to make a PIN. It's just a 4-digit number, and then later on maybe I'll do the fingerprint and the Face ID. But for now, I just want my PIN. So let me go ahead and choose a 4-digit PIN. After you put that in, tap on continue. It's going to ask you to type that in one more time. Okay, and then I'm going to click on OK right there. Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign in, or you can actually create account if you want to go ahead and use your Samsung account. For me, I don't need to use my Samsung account. I'm going to go ahead and tap on skip, and then skip down here. You can always go ahead and sign into your Samsung account later on as well. Okay, so we are all set up here. Let me go ahead and tap on finish, and there we go. We are up and running now, and now you guys can go ahead and insert your SIM card if you wish. If you don't know how to do it, look in the link below. I'm going to install that next. Good luck.